Most of the people are buying travel packages online more than ever before, from hotels to holiday packages travel. Assume if you're a travel blogger or travel vlogger with a stronger follower. You may recommend hotels, vacation packages, airlines, and travel equipment to travel affiliate firms and earn a commission on each transaction. You may include hotel booking sites into your content, choose certain destinations, and highlight places that attract a customer. Travel reviews that include links to specific vacations and hotels are a wonderful way to provide a one-of-a-kind experience for your users. Commissions are paid either when a reservation is made or when a visitor checks out of their hotel. We have compiled the best travel affiliate programs. 1. TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor is a well-known travel website that is most known for its local evaluations of things to do. They also let you book hotels, vacation packages, restaurant reservations, and other services. They provide an amazing 50% savings with a reasonable cookie length of 14 days. Based on their referral fees, they are my top pick in the travel affiliate program. 2. Expedia. I think Expedia is the mother firm of the other companies on this list and is a big global travel brand. With 150 websites in 70-plus countries, they let their affiliates to promote over 260,000 bookable properties. They are ranked second on my list based on their website reach and property network. 3. Travelpayouts. Travelpayouts is the ideal travel program to monetize your travel website. They offer a variety of services and integrate with various travel platforms such as Booking.com, Airbnb, Rentalcars.com, and others. Their travel affiliate marketing program pays up to 80% compensation, while the average is 1.6% for flights and 6% for hotel reservations. Their cookie expires after 30 days. 4. Marriott. Marriott is another hotel brand that has a broad selection of properties to advertise in their program. They provide a 3% discount on holiday packages and a 4 to 6% discount on hotels. They provide a cookie duration of 7 days. 5. Travelocity. Travelocity is a travel platform recognized for its low pricing and price match guarantee. They provide a 2 to 4% commission and a generous 45-day cookie period. 6. Priceline. Priceline is well known for offering low-cost hotels, airfares, and other services. They give a 3 to 5% commission and a cookie duration of 30 days. 7. Hotels. Hotels.com is another option to generate money with hotels, and they provide specialized services with 85 websites in 35 languages. They also have over 15 million users in their rewards program. They give 4% commission and 7-day cookie duration. 8. Hilton. Hilton is a global hotel brand that provides premium hotel accommodations as well as a diverse variety of hotel buildings. They give a 4% commission and a cookie duration of 7 days. 9. Booking. Flights, hotels, auto rentals, and airport taxis are all available through Booking. By enrolling, you have access to over 2.2 million homes and 4% commission, but the cookie expires when the user closes their browser. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.